Sometimes I like to be normal, and then I just feel the need to be unhinged, and I feel like this is one of those moments. So, you're welcome. Perfect. Wow, things are going so well. So, you know, summer fashion is not my strong suit. I'm hoping to gain some clarity on that this year. All right, so here's my entire winter wardrobe. It looks very comical right now. Y'all need to be checking your Goodwills. Okay, here is the second bag of my winter wardrobe that I am going to shove under the bed. If you are... What? Hey guys, if you are new here, my name is Gabrielle, and today I am going to be doing a little bit of a closet clean out / switching my winter wardrobe over to my summer wardrobe, because at this point I have a giant pile of summer clothes on my floor and tons of sweaters hanging up that I'm not wearing, clearly because I'm in a tank top. So I wanted to kind of take you guys through that process with me because it's long overdue. It's almost the end of May where I am. I just want to have ease when I get up to get dressed in the morning, and right now I do not have that, so I'm gonna do that. I have some containers that I can put my winter clothes in under the bed, and then I'm kind of just gonna go through different summer tops and see, like, do I actually like this? Would I wear this? And what pieces am I kind of missing in my wardrobe that maybe I could go thrift for? And I would love to take you guys with me to do that as well. So first things first, I'm gonna open my closet and show you what the heck is going on. That's Austin's side of the closet and that's my side. So I'm gonna show you the bottom because it looks interesting. Let's just say that. So there's some of my summer clothes. There's the rest of them. And there's all my winter clothes, and it honestly looks terrible. So I'm going to be going through everything and swapping things out. I also have this pile of laundry right here, which is a lot of summer clothes as well. So I just need to get organized. Also, don't mind me. I'm just eating a cookout milkshake that's like a week old. It's been in our freezer. Sometimes I like to be normal, and then I just feel the need to be unhinged. And I feel like this is one of those moments. So... you're welcome. We had like the worst storm ever in Charlotte last night. I went to sleep. Why is my screen so bright? I went to sleep at like 10, and all of a sudden I woke up so disoriented. I was having this weird dream. We've been looking for cars, and I was dreaming about like different brands of cars or something. And I literally felt like our apartment, oh, I just dripped milkshake on myself. I literally felt like our apartment building was like gonna cave in. The thunder was so loud, and I was like, what the heck is going on? I look out, it's like storming super bad, and it's like super windy, pouring down rain, lightning, thunder, everything. And I was like, oh, perfect. And Austin, I look over, he's just like sleeping super peacefully. And I'm like, why is marriage like this? Like, you should be awake. Like, you should be taking care of me. Like, I should not be awake during this storm. Be here, but you're in London and I break down, 'cause it's not fair that you're not around. This is where the feeling sinks in. I don't wanna miss you like this. Come back, be here. All right, I'm procrastinating. Time to get down to business. Let me just have some more of my milkshake first. Ugh. Help. Ugh. Okay, these are all my winter clothes, so now I'm just gonna show you folding them, sorting them, figuring out what I'm gonna save for the summer and what I'm going to put up until the fall. Perfect. Wow, things are going so well. I have 3 piles of winter clothes. Now, winter and fall is like really where I thrive with fashion. Summer is where I struggle with my fashion. As you can see, I'm literally wearing biker shorts and this like one shoulder peplum top. So, you know, summer fashion is not my strong suit. I'm hoping to gain some clarity on that this year. But it's definitely not the best. So what I'm gonna do is basically like anything that's thicker like this, I am going to save for the fall or winter and put it up. Anything that's thinner like this top that I could just like throw underneath something like for an evening when it's a little bit cooler in the summer, I'm gonna keep, but I'm just gonna like organize it a little bit differently. So like this thin turtleneck, I'm gonna save that, but like this one is a little bit heavier, so I'm gonna put that one up. Same thing with this. Like all of my sweaters pretty much I'm gonna put up. But sweatshirts I'm gonna keep out because you know I wear sweatshirts every single day. Like I try not to, but I always have to bring one with me because I'm always freezing. Like literally right now I'm so cold. I'm gonna put all my sweatshirts in a pile over here. Also, if there's like a blazer or something, I might keep that out too. It just really depends, so it's very nuanced. Okay, so I'm not totally done, but I sorted the first 2 piles and I put like piles over there for cardigans that I still want during the summer, lightweight shirts, and all my sweatshirts. Although not all of my sweatshirts are in that pile. So I still need to go through this right here, but the top is stuff that I am putting up for the season. Sorry, I had to pause because I just made a funny video. But like, if you didn't have a flannel like this in like 2017 or 2018, then like, what were you actually doing with your life? Like, this was the vibe at the time with a pair of leggings, probably a head wrap, and some fake Birkenstocks, and a little tank top underneath, like a t-shirt or something, and lots of rings. Tons of rings. More rings than any person should ever wear. Our country, guess it was a lawless land. Quiet my fears at the touch of your hand. Paper cut stings with my paper thin plans. Something that is actually kind of funny is I used to, well, very recently I've made fun of my mom for only buying blue clothing, but then I literally have these 3 things, this shirt that I'm wearing, these 2 tops, and they're like all basically the same shade. And pretty much after I bought each one of them, I was just like cracking up because like there's a reason why people buy color and it actually looks good on them. And I was like trying to buy neutral colors for a long time, and like I still do like neutral colors, and I think that black looks good on me as far as colors go, but like sometimes you just need like a pop of color. Hello? Like if I'm wearing like tan or white every day, it just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't look great on me. Alright, so here's my entire winter wardrobe. It looks very comical right now. But yeah, so and then that's the stuff I'm gonna keep out for the summer. So I'm gonna organize it in just a minute. Okay, so I guess allegedly I thought all of my winter clothes were gonna fit in this bag. So clearly that is not gonna be able to happen. So I guess you guys are just gonna watch me and pray for me because trick is like taking everything, pushing it in, and like pushing it over so that you can really use every free space. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to buy another bag though. Okay, here's what I'm doing. I took the lid off so you can see like the little cap right there. I'm gonna squeeze it together and close the bag. And then I'm gonna sit on it. Alright, here's the fun part. Alright, winter clothes bag number 1. Alright, here's some of my summer clothes. I'm just gonna kind of go through them and evaluate them with you and see like, do I even like this? Am I gonna wear this? Have I worn it recently? That kind of thing. So I'm just gonna throw these on the bed. I want to like this. I do. I want to like this, but it lays weird on me. Like on the sides, it like lumps up, and I think I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Okay, this I'm super excited about. I just got this H&M tank top from Goodwill like a couple weeks ago, and I washed it and I forgot that I even have it, so that's a keep. Not to be dramatic, but I've literally worn this shirt so many times. I also thrifted it and I love it, so I'm gonna keep it. I love this shirt, no explanation needed. This I don't love as much. Pretty much all of these clothes are thrifted, by the way. I don't love this as much. I like the neutralness of it, and I like that it's a good layering piece, but it comes up so high that it like hurts my neck, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it, honestly. Okay, I just got this top a few weeks ago from Marshall's or Ross, I can't remember, and I literally love it so much. All right, next up we have my t-shirts. Classic Whitney, Lion of Judah shirt. Wyoming, never been there, but you know, no one would know that. This one. This is like a good layering shirt, especially for the beach, just like tie up or to throw over like a tank top or something. I'm trying to organize these by category. I don't know if you guys do that, but I definitely prefer that. And we've got a white crop top. I know it can be super controversial and triggering for some of you out there. A North Carolina Zoo shirt. Another Queen shirt. The Queen herself, Taylor Swift. All right, next up we have this white Abercrombie bodysuit. I also thrifted it a few weeks ago, and genuinely I was in shock that I found an Abercrombie bodysuit. So don't sleep on Goodwill. And then I also found this Abercrombie lace top at Goodwill. So y'all need to be checking your Goodwills. What I have discovered through all of this is that I do actually have quite a few tops, but the problem is, like, this top would be okay, but not all of my tops are like appropriate to not wear on vacation, basically. I nanny on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I don't care so much about like what I look like or, you know, this or that, but like around the kids, you know, I want it to be modest, so like even this might be okay, but then it just like might ride up too much or whatever, so just like have to be mindful of this. But like I bought this for I think like my bachelorette weekend, and this was in my Walmart era, but Walmart popped off with this shirt. So, and then this one is also from Walmart. You can't really tell, but it has like 3 tiers and it's like really cute. It's a good shirt for like leading worship and stuff. And then I got this top last year. I feel like that's not as much my normal style, but it's still cute. And then like this one is from Aeropostale, and I have had this for like 5 years probably, and it has stayed white and super cute. The only thing is I am not a teenager anymore, and certain things have expanded, and so it just gives me a little bit of a claustrophobic feeling right here. But I really like it, so I don't want to get rid of it. And then we have this white dress that I wore for our engagement photos. I don't know if you can see like the texture, but I just thought this dress was so special at the time, and I've worn it so many times. And I've also had this shirt for like 5 years. I just love it. I don't know what it is about it. I just think it's so cute. And then it like ties in the back where those little strings are. This one's also like a fun little top for vacation. I'm just not like excited about my summer wardrobe, you know what I mean? Like versus fall, I'm like, oh, the layers and the sweaters and the scarves and da da da. Like I just don't feel that way in the summertime, so I get kind of agitated about it. Alright, so I finally got my crap together and finished the closet, so I want to show you how it's looking right now. So there is order to this, I promise, even if it doesn't look like it. So here's my sweatshirts, here's all of my t-shirts. Here are short sleeve shirts that have like a little bit of a sleeve to them. And then here's tank tops with like a thicker sleeve. And then here's like spaghetti strap tank tops. And then here is my shorter dresses, my longer dresses, and then some skirts. And then here are like transitional pieces like cardigans that are turtlenecks, blazers, stuff like that I can wear around the house that would be comfortable. And then I also ended up finding an extra bag in my closet. So where the heck is the little, so I'm also gonna sit on this bag and get all of the air out of it really fast. Okay, here is the second bag of my winter wardrobe that I am going to shove under the bed. Alright, this is the last bit of this video. I have kind of a dilemma. I feel like my taste has changed since I was going to Liberty as far as bathing suits, and I don't want to use the word modesty, but what I feel is appropriate wearing. I think that has also shifted since we got married as well. Last summer was my first summer, I guess, actually being married, because we got married at the end of the summer in 2021, and so I feel like it kind of opened my eyes a little bit to like, okay, actually, like I don't feel comfortable like showing like certain things in front of other people that I'm not married to. I don't know. Alrighty, I will be getting rid of this, whatever this is. Like, what a chaotic mess. Let's get rid of these, please. I have like all my memorabilia t-shirts in here, like Luke Bryan, Liberty, NC State. I really don't think these are gonna fit me, but they're adorable. Okay guys, well, I have a mountain of swimsuits now and I'm a little bit overwhelmed, so I think I'm gonna make another video where I organize my drawers because I got some organizers from IKEA literally like 3 months ago, and my leggings and my tank tops and everything, my swimsuits are just like out of control. It's not organized, and I also want to organize some other things in our apartment. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas for how to swap over your winter wardrobe to your summer wardrobe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next organization video. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye.